What I love most about being a sub-tech apprentice is the work's pretty rewarding. The pay's nice too, so it always keeps me active. The work that you kind of going through day in and day out is different pretty much every day, which is nice. Some days you're installing ground grid, some days you're stacking steel and doing jumpers, so there's always something to do. And like me, I'm primarily the welder for the company I work for, so I do get to do a lot of welding and a lot of overhead welding too, which is cool too. So a lot of aluminum bus. Hi, I'm Benjamin Hardy. I'm a second-year Substation apprentice. Before this, I was just a structural welder, and I was pretty much doing a lot of their inspecting there. I'm also a CWI, so I was doing a lot of their welding inspecting there, and I was getting by, but I mean, the work was all right. And my father-in-law actually told me about how they needed a welder over here on substations. He got me in touch with my CM now. Pretty much kind of told me the basics of what they're doing, told me if I want to get started off, they'd start me off at like low 30s somewhere. So I figured might as well take a chance and try it out. I mean, it's a totally different change of environment from what I used to do, but I liked it. It's been a good gig once I came over from the fabricator side.